easy English conversation for tourists. Hi, I would like to get some information about this city.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. Have you decided what you'd like to see in the city?
Not yet. Do you have any suggestions on what to do here?
Of course, this is a historical city, so you'll probably want to visit the historical sites. We also have some great museums with beautiful collections. Additionally, there are famous restaurants and shops here.
Wonderful! Which historical sites can I visit?
Our top recommendation is probably the castle, which is the symbol of this city. Also, the ancient theater, churches, and mosques are worth seeing.
Oh, very interesting. And what about food and drink?
There are many traditional restaurants in the area. We're particularly known for our meatballs, kebabs, and meze. Our desserts are also very delicious.
Sounds great! What about shopping?
There are many boutique shops selling handicrafts in the area. Outdoor markets are also quite popular. If you're looking for souvenirs, you can browse those places.
Thank you! It seems like there's a lot to do in this city.
Absolutely! I'm always here, so whenever you need help, I can assist you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.